Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. Let us have set 2 of the average round for grade 9 students. In the average round, participants are allowed to use scratch paper. Each item must be answered in 30 seconds. Final answers must be written on an answer sheet before the time expires. Before we continue, please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos. Let us begin with question number 1. Simplify 5 square root of 20 minus 2 square root of 45. Again, simplify 5 square root of 20 minus 2 square root of 45. Go. Time is up. Let us see the answer. It's 4 square root of 5. Question number 2. Identify the coordinates of the vertex of the function y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Again, identify the coordinates of the vertex of the function y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Go. Time is up. Let us see the answer. 2, 1. Question number 3. The diagonals of a rhombus are of length 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the rhombus? Again, the diagonals of a rhombus are of length 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the rhombus? Go. Time is up. Let us see the answer. It's 40 centimeters. Question number 4. Let x be a real number such that 2 raised to x is equal to 3. Find the value of 4 raised to 3x plus 2. Again, let x be a real number such that 2 raised to x is equal to 3. Find the value of 4 raised to 3x plus 2. Go. Time is up. Let us see the answer. It's 11,664. Last question for this round. Determine x such that x, 2x plus 7, and 10x minus 7 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. Again, determine x such that x, 2x plus 7, and 10x minus 7 are consecutive terms of geometric progression. Go. Time is up. Let us see the answer. It's negative 7 over 6 or 7. Did you get all 5? This time, let us see the answers and solutions to the 30-second questions. Number 1, simplify 5 square root of 20 minus 2 square root of 45. Here is our suggested solution. We can rewrite square root of 20 as square root of 4 times 5 and square root of 45 as 9 times 5. That is rewriting the radicand into factors where 1 is a perfect square. Square root of 4 is equal to 2 and square root of 9 is equal to 3. Then we have 5 times 2 square root of 5 minus 2 times 3 square root of 5. 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, we have 10 square root of 5 minus 6 square root of 5, and that is equal to 4 square root of 5. Question number 2. Identify the coordinates of the vertex of the function y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Here is our suggested solution. The function is a quadratic function. Then, to get the vertex of this function, we're going to use completing the square. From the given function, we can write x squared minus 4x plus 4, that is completing the square. And since to complete this square, we added 4, we need to take it back, subtract 4 to the right-hand side of the equation. Now, x squared minus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square trinomial whose factors are x minus 2 times x minus 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we have the function in its vertex form. Then the vertex of this quadratic function is at the ordered pair or at the point 2, 1. Next, question number 3. The diagonals of a rhombus are of length 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters. What is the perimeter of a rhombus? Here is our suggested solution. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other and are perpendicular. Hence, if we're going to represent the figure, so we have a rhombus with diagonals of length 12 centimeters and 16 centimeters. Since the diagonals bisect each other, then we have the shorter diagonal, whose length is 12, will be divided into two segments of length 6 centimeters. The longer diagonal, measuring 16 centimeters, will be divided into two equal segments that are of length 8 centimeters. Also, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other, then these two diagonals form a right angle at the intersection point. One side of the rhombus as the hypotenuse of this right triangle form, then we can solve for its length. Let S be the length of the side of the rhombus and P be the perimeter of the rhombus. So we can solve for S as the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared, that is using the Pythagorean theorem, using the formed right triangle at the intersection of the two diagonals. Then S is equal to the square root of 100. Therefore, each side of the rhombus measures 10 centimeters. To get the perimeter, we just multiply the length of each side by 4. So we have P is equal to 4 times 10. then the perimeter is 40 centimeters. Question number 4. Let x be a real number such that 2 raised to x equals 3. Find the value of 4 raised to 3x plus 2. Here is our suggested solution. 4 raised to 3x plus 2 can be written as 2 squared, open and close parenthesis, raised to 3x plus 2. Then we have, using the law of exponent, we multiply 2 by 3x plus 2, then we have 2 raised to 6x plus 4. 2 raised to 6x plus 4 can be written using the law of exponent as 2 raised to 6x times 2 raised to 4. So we have 2 raised to x raised to 6 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. Since 2 raised to x is equal to 3, we have 3 raised to 6 times 16, and 3 raised to the 6th power is 729. We multiply that by 16 and we will get 11,664. Question number 5. Determine x such that x, 2x plus 7, and 10x minus 7 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. Here is our suggested solution. If these are consecutive terms of a geometric progression, and we know that in a geometric progression there exists a constant or common ratio r, and to get that common ratio we write 2x plus 7, that is the second of the 3 given terms, over x, that is the first term, and this must be equal to the ratio between the given third term, 10x minus 7, over the given second term, 2x plus 7. By cross multiplication, we have 4x squared plus 28x plus 49, that is 2x plus 7 times 2x plus 7, or 2x plus 7 squared. On the right hand side, we have x times 10x minus 7, so 10x squared minus 7x. Rewriting the equation with 0 on the right hand side, then we have 4x squared minus 10x squared plus 28x plus 7x plus 49. Combining similar terms, we have negative 6x squared plus 35x plus 49 equals 0. To have the first term as positive, then we multiply all terms of this resulting equation by negative 1. And then by factoring, we have 6x plus 7 times x minus 7 equals 0. We equate each factor to 0, so we have 6x plus 7 equals 0. From here, we will get x is equal to negative 7 over 6. The other factor, x minus 7 equals 0. Then we have x is equal to 7. We can check whether our answer is correct by substituting the values of x to the given terms in the geometric progression and see if they form a geometric sequence or progression. So the answer, negative 7 over 6 or 7. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos.